House built to a passive house standard in Somerville, Massachusetts. It is a single-family home, double stud wall construction, scissor truss roof, installed PV system in 2015. Central two panels you see up there are the thermal hot water system. Siding is by Citadel Sinocore aluminum panels, rain screen application. The insets are from reclaimed cedar. We have one Mitsubishi mini split. The condenser serves two evaporator units inside. Doors and windows are by Yarrow, macro wind windows, wood, aluminum clad. It is 18-inch walls, double stud, 2x6 outside, 2x4 inside with a service cavity, 14.5 inches of dense packed cellulose, two membranes. Outside is Siga MyVest as a WRB, inside is a Siga MyPel as a vapor control membrane. Kitchen here, we unfortunately have a gas cooktop. That's one thing I'm thinking of changing. We have outdoor venting, hood vent, no makeup air. This is a catwalk into our bedroom, and a view through the window out in the yard. The systems are all stored here in this closet. A Comfort Air 350 here. Unfortunately, the inlet and exhaust pipes are not insulated. It's one thing I'm working on completing right now. Here you can see a little bit of the 350-liter tank for the solar thermal system. It is a system by a Wagner company from Germany. Drain back system, just one pump, no external tank. For the glycol, one supplemental heating element. For about 6 months, the hot water is free from the sun, no problem so far, 7 years. The laundry, condensing dryer, I got it for really cheap, nobody wanted to buy it. First of all, it was small, too small, European size. The PV system has been cranking the meter backwards. So this is after the whole winter. The meter is at 97913. That means that a little bit over 2,000 kilowatt hours we've spun the meter backwards. So we are totally net zero, or we're not positive, and maybe we need another load, maybe an electric car. Kitchen vent exhaust valve on the outside, it is spring loaded, and when it's open it looks like this. And this is how the vent hood exhaust valve looks like when it's closed, when the hood is off. Sits flush with the siding. It has a seal, came from Germany. Neighbor is the company that produces it. I think I paid 150 euros and I brought it over in my suitcase. It has a certificate that it's airtight, plus minus 60 pascals.